Hey everyone, in today's video we're gonna do face yoga to reduce face fat. Start by tapping on the collarbones, neck and face areas. This helps the blood circulation to increase. We go on with our lymphatic massage. We start with the armpits and then we move our way up to the collarbones, neck, back of the neck and ears. Lymph nodes in the neck and face area play a crucial role in maintaining your health. These lymph nodes act as filters, draining the excess fluid under the skin. This fluid contains waste products, bacteria, and other unwanted substances. By massaging the lymph nodes, we help them to move back into the bloodstream. After opening lymphatic drainage system, we start with our massages. Today's massage has 4 steps. The first one is double chin fat, which includes 2 exercises. So the first exercise is a kind of a warm-up exercise, and the second one is moving the fat to the sides and lead them towards the lymph nodes that are on the sides of our neck. And we always finish by massaging lymphatic nodes. Then we move on to the next part of our face yoga, which is jawline sculpting exercises, which includes 2 exercises. The first one is blowing kisses, which you tilt your head a little bit and you look at the ceiling and then you just blow kisses. And the second exercise is again sculpting the jawline, pinching the chin and moving outwards and upwards towards the ears. And don't forget to finish on the lymph nodes. Move on to the third part, which is buccal fat area massages. We again start with a warm-up exercise. And then we move on to the lifting exercise. This exercise is also good for the smile lines and lifting the corners of the lips. Moving on to the exercise number 3, put your palms on your cheeks and slowly and gently move your cheeks upward, saying "Oh." Next exercise is an easy yet effective exercise, which you put your knuckle of your index finger in your mouth and then you suck your cheeks in and out. Your finger prevents your lips from wrinkling. Exercise number 5 is again a lifting exercise, which you should move with your fingers upwards and outwards, shaping O with your lips. And again finish this on the lymph nodes. fourth part of today's face yoga, which is the last part. We start with exercise number 1, which is a lifting massage. Gently and slowly move your finger downwards to your jawline, opening your mouth each time that you're moving downward. You're stretching the masseter muscle here and preventing your jaw from tensioning and getting intense. And the last exercise is a full face lifting exercise. Place your hands on your cheekbones and your temples, lift slightly upwards and stretch your lips forward slowly. After finishing the massages, we move on to the 30 seconds lymphatic massage, which will help draining the excess fluid from our face through the lymph nodes to our neck, then our collarbones, and lastly to the armpits, which will be out of our body by sweating through our armpits. Repeat the exercises daily for a week and see the results for yourself. Thank you for watching my video and see you in next one. Bye!